It's literally the first day of school, of classes. And guess what? Suspended due to VOG.
You just made that up!
Which is good for me because I get to rest for the rest of the day. Kasi kahapon lang ako nakapag-move in and I had to move things from here and there, sweep the floor, unbox some parcels. But it's also bad for me because wala akong mga content for today. Like, we're literally starting off the semester with the most boring day ever. The most boring day ever. And I'm sorry, but may kita niyo lang ako today na kumakain. And maybe lumabas to buy some shampoo because this hair is so greasy na. And you don't want it to get greasier because things will get ugly. Uglier. Anyways, I literally don't have anything to offer for today. Oh, siguro we can talk about my 18 units which I have successfully enrolled. And sana kayanin. Because ngayon na lang ulit mag-aaral after, 2 years? But what's great about my enlisting experience for this semester is, actually, I have a clip of when I was enlisting. So, we can see how I survived. Roll the clip as I finish this pizza. Enrollment is now. Here, on my left, is my class schedule, ideal class schedule. As you can see, I ate with this schedule. Love her. But today, we are hoping na ma-enroll natin lahat ng courses na nandito. So, manifest with me na sana ma-enroll natin ay full unit. Okay? It's literally 10. So, what am I doing? Let's start enlisting. Wait lang. Oh my gosh! What happened? Hello? Hello? Oh! What is this? Dapat papasukan mo ako. What is happening? Ano to? Now we're outside in the grueling heat of Helby. Excuse the haggard face. Also, nakakain na rin po ako ng lunch. And pwede na, pantawid gutom. Ngayon, punta na tayo sa 7-Eleven para bumili ng shampoo. Para makaligo na. Shampoo Aquarit. Got So, we just got back from the dorm. And nakaligo na rin. And guess what? Even though the classes are suspended, tuloy pa rin ang freshie walk. And we're going there now because we're feeling fresh today. So, I'm gonna bring you with me. Let's go. Okay, so I actually met with my org mates para malaman ko kung paano nga ba namin i-welcome ang mga freshies ng aming college.
Eventually, napagod kami kasisigaw sa mga freshies. So, napabili ako ng mango shake which was really good. Then, umulan. Afterwards, napagdesisyonan namin kumain ng dinner as an org. Sa sobrang unified namin, iisa lang ang ulam na in-order ng lahat which was sisig. Masarap naman. And then, we went on a little grocery trip before going home.
So, it's literally Tuesday. And since suspended na naman, wala akong ginawa today but matulog and kumain. By the way, kanina for lunch, I had beef chow fan, which was really good. And hindi ko siya naubos dahil sobrang dami pala ng serving nila, which is great. Kaya baka ito na lang po ang aking i-dinner mamaya. And right now, I'm in the middle of a meeting with one of my orgs. All I can say so far is habang tumatagal, mas paboring ng paboring. Habang tumatagal, mas paboring ng paboring ang mga nangyayari sa first week. So sana bukas, may pasok na. Well, may pasok na nga ako bukas. But, two of my profs for tomorrow already told their students na next week na lang daw. Next week na lang daw ang face-to-face namin. So, for tonight, I'm just planning to be demure habang nakikinig sa meeting namin. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay? It's literally the third day of the week, but I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna treat this like it's the first day. That is why I'm gonna be wearing my outfit of the week. Revealing in 3, 2, 1. Third day na, pero first day pa rin for me kasi hindi counted yung first 2 days na suspended. So yes, we will be wearing wrap today. Also, nag-class na pala ako kaninang 8:30, pero online class lang siya, so hindi pa ako nag-ayos nun. Ngayon pa lang, kasi pupunta tayo sa org booth namin for the freshies. Great.
Here is the booth na hinanda namin for our freshies. As you can see, nang bobola ng todo ang aking mga ka-org. But they're having a really serious conversation, guys. After visiting the booth, I attended my last class of the day, which was Science 11. And before going there, I had a little nature walk. As you can see, the environment or my surrounding is as green as my shirt.
And now, it's literally 11 p.m.
Oh, it looks like we have some clowns who are desperate for airtime.
Ang ingay. And it's bad. It's bad for us kasi meron tayong 8 a.m. class tomorrow. Now we're fully energized and ang hirap makabalik sa pagkakatulog. So, what are we going to do? Well, we're going to do some advanced readings in order to feel sleepy again. Kamunti ka na malate sa 8 a.m. class kanina, buti na lang nakaabot. And I also had a class at around 10 a.m. Ayun, both of them had orientation, kaya hindi na ako nag-beat. Let's go doon sa ating booth
para magbantay at mga usap ng mga freshies. So ito po ang aming booth na binabantayan ng aking nagaganda ang mga sisteret. Ayan. Opo, freshie po. Kailangan, hindi ko pa kayo pinapakita.
Nag-post na ako eh.
Okay, interviewin po natin sila. So ano pong kinain nyo kaninang lunch? Bicol Express?
Rar, Bergsilog.
Bergsilog. Ako, ano ba kinain ko? Chicken pastil for brunch. Hindi ko na binidyohan kasi naubos na agad eh.
And just like that, we're back at our dorm. In our dorm. And nakapag-freshen up na rin. Ready for bed. Nakakain na rin kanina. Actually, sinundo ako nung aking mga ka-org para mag-dinner. At nilibre ako ng aking ninang sa org. Thank you very much, ninang. It's so delicious. Bawi ako next time pag kumita na ako sa YouTube. Napaka-enjoy din ang araw na to. Kung tutuusin, enjoy yung buong week kasi wala masyadong klase. And all I did was mingle with a lot of people. Which I really like as an extrovert. Tomorrow, magmi-mingle pa ulit kasi meron kaming SEM starter. Bukas ng 9 a.m. And I'm gonna take you guys with me tomorrow. It's gonna be fun because we're gonna play Filipino games. Yeah.
So Friday, walang pasok and ngayon namin naisipang mag-SEM starter. It's gonna be fun. I hope hindi masyado magpuwes because that would be unfun.
Ulitan na. Bawal ka. Kaya lang yun? Oo, kaya lang. Sinabi ko pa. Diba? Oo.
Tayong ganito, tapos pwede, pero ano?
Bawal ka. Pwede ka lang ikot. Ikot. May isa. Salitan na lang. Akbang ka naman din.
May hakbang.
Sunod chair, Miss Karen.
Miss Kare.
Miss ka.
Maganda lang ngiti niya pareho bagay.
Diba?
Pag yung anak mo.
So, sige, patapusin muna natin yung pagtatahol ng aso. It's a wrap! Katatapos lang po ng SEM starter and we just got back from the dorm kasi uwi po tayo sa Manila this weekend. And I guess this would be my outro for this video. It was such a great week. It's such a fun week. And sana ganito na lang ang mga susunod na linggo. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!